Till now we have studied about specific heat capacity, that it is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of substance by unit degree Celsius, right? So on the same pretext we are going to define the value of specific heat capacity of a gas, which would be, it is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass or 1 gram of gas by 1 degree Celsius. The statement is exactly the same which we have studied before, but we have a very small condition, that is, according to formula, delta Q is mc delta T. That means C has this equation delta Q over m delta T, right? Now, specific heat capacity, I'm just discussing it again because you need to understand why specific heat capacity of gas cannot have one value. Let me explain. C is delta Q upon m delta T. I'll be going with the definition again, that is, specific heat capacity of gas is equal to amount of heat required to change the unit mass of substance by unit degree Celsius, to change the temperature of unit mass of substance by unit degree Celsius. Done? But according to condition, if gas is compressed very fast, if gas is expanded very slow, based on different conditions on which heat has been given to the gas, specific heat capacity can have different set of values like 0, infinity, maximum, positive and negative. So let's discuss those values one by one.